When updating a record in a simplified loader template, the user typically enters updated field values via the Excel template. However, if a field is already populated in Oracle and the user wants to remove its value, simply deleting the field value in the simplified loader template and performing the update operation does not work. This is because simplified loader ignores fields with null values. To resolve this issue, use simplified loader's reserved keyword, SL_null. When simplified loader encounters SL_null in a field, it ensures that the field value is updated to null in Oracle. Let's walk through an example of how to update the header description field to null using simplified loader's reserved keyword, SL_null. I have downloaded invoice SL123 into the data sheet. The header description field contains the value demo description. In this demo, I will remove the value from the header description field. To do so, I will enter SL_null in the header description field. Before performing the update, I will remove other field values except header description and invoice ID. I will now select the row and click Update Invoice to initiate the update process. Simplified Loader will process the request and send the update to Oracle Fusion. As a result, the header description field will be updated to null. To verify the update, I will re-download the invoice record by entering the invoice number and clicking Get Invoice Details. The header description field is now blank, confirming that the value has been successfully set to null. We hope you found this demo useful.